The buck stops here, unpacking its meaning and origins. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, the buck stops here. It's a phrase loaded with history, responsibility, and leadership. So, let's break it down together, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, "the buck stops here," is an American English saying that means a person or leader is willing to take responsibility for their actions and decisions, rather than passing that responsibility to someone else. It's often used in contexts where accountability is emphasized. But where does this phrase come from, and how did it become associated with responsibility and accountability? Let's delve into its origins. The phrase, "the buck stops here," was popularized by U.S. President Harry S. Truman during his presidency in the mid-20th century. The origin of the phrase itself, however, is believed to come from the game of poker. In poker, a marker or a buck was used to indicate the player who was the dealer. If a player did not want to deal, they could pass the buck to the next player. Truman adopted this phrase to signify that he did not pass the responsibility to others. He even had a sign with "the buck stops here" on his desk in the Oval Office, symbolizing his commitment to making decisions and accepting the ultimate responsibility for them. This powerful statement became a cornerstone of Truman's public persona and a lasting legacy in American political speech. Understanding the historical context and meaning behind "the buck stops here" enriches its use in conversation. You can use it in professional settings or discussions about leadership and responsibility. For instance, if you're leading a project and want to express your commitment to its success and accountability for its outcomes, you might say, as the project leader, "the buck stops with me. I'm responsible for ensuring everything goes according to plan." "The buck stops here" is more than just an idiom. It's a declaration of accountability and responsibility. It reminds us of the importance of standing firm and accepting our roles, especially in challenging situations. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this phrase and inspired you to embrace the responsibility in your daily life and language. Remember, in leadership and life, sometimes the buck really does stop with you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.